ACC 10 Mathematics Algebra Chapter number 2 Quadratic Equation. We are going to see practice set 2.3. Solve the following quadratic equations by completing the square method. Okay. Question 1. Equation is x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Equation is in standard form. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1 and C is equal to minus 20. Okay. Then transpose constant on the right hand side. So x square plus x is equal to 20. Then find b upon 2 the whole square. B is 1, so 1 upon 2 the whole square and it is coming 1 upon 4. Then add these on the both sides of the equation. Okay. So x square plus 1 upon 2 the whole square is equal to 20 plus 1 upon 4. Then solve LHS and RHS. Okay. So on LHS part, x square plus x plus 1 upon 2 square, it is nothing but the expansion of x plus 1 upon 2 the whole square. Okay. So it is from the identity a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. आपको प्लीज़ याद रखना है, in this case only two identities can be applicable. One is a plus b the whole square and second one is a minus b the whole square. अगर यहाँ पे प्लस रहेगा तो a plus b the whole square, अगर यहाँ पे माइनस रहेगा तो a minus b the whole square अप्लाई करना है. ओके. So on the LHS part we got x plus 1 upon 2 the whole square and on RHS part 20 plus 1 upon 4. 20 का डिनोमिनेटर 1 है and 1 का डिनोमिनेटर 4 है. So we need to take LCM. So LCM is 4. So after taking LCM we'll get 20 into 4 80 plus 1. So 80 plus 1 upon 4. Okay. Then solve them further. So we will get x plus 1 upon 2 the whole square is equal to 81 upon 4. Now we have to take square root on the both sides. So after taking square root we'll get x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to plus or minus 9 upon 2. ओके. ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर रूट जब लेते हो तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो रहता है वही उसका स्क्वायर रूट रहता है. एंड 81 अपॉन 4, ठीक है, इसका स्क्वायर रूट आएगा. 81 का स्क्वायर रूट होता है प्लस और माइनस 9, 4 का स्क्वायर रूट प्लस और माइनस 2, देयरफॉर प्लस और माइनस 9 अपॉन 2. ओके. सो लेट्स गो अहेड, विल टेक सेपरेट वैल्यूज नाउ. सो x प्लस 1 अपॉन 2 इज इक्वल टू 9 अपॉन 2 और x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to minus 9 upon 2. One time positive value and one time negative value. Then solve this equation. So x is equal to 9 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. Denominator is same, so you can write x is equal to 9 minus 1 upon 2. 9 minus 1 is 8, so x is equal to 8 upon 2. On this side, x is equal to minus 9 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. Denominators are same, so minus 9 minus 1 upon 2. And minus 9 minus 1 is minus 10. So x is equal to minus 10 upon 2. So 8 upon 2 is 4 and minus 10 upon 2 is minus 5. So 4 and minus 5, these are the two roots of the given quadratic equation. In some school or boards, direct method to find value of b is not allowed. That is this method, b upon 2 the whole square. Okay. This value we add on the both sides of the equation. Okay. So we must know the another method. Okay, that method is little bit long but that is also easy. So let's see that method to find the value of b. So in this case the value of b is 1 upon 2. Okay, and using another method we will find the same value. So write the equation having coefficient of x square equal to 1 in this form: x square plus x is equal to 20. Okay. Then compare LHS part with identity a square plus 2ab plus b square or a square minus 2ab plus b square. It is depend upon this sign after the x square. If it is plus, then a square plus 2ab plus b square. If it is minus, then a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Then compare the values. So a square is equal to x square. It means a is equal to x. And 2ab is equal to x. Okay, 2ab is equal to x. B square is unknown, we have to find it. B, we have to find it. Okay, so from 2ab is equal to x, we will move ahead. 2ab is equal to x, then we have to find b. So b is equal to x upon 2a. A is equal to x, therefore we will substitute value of a here. So x upon 2x, x will be cut, is equal to 1 upon 2, and b square is equal to 1 upon 4. Okay. So it is the same value which we have used earlier. Okay. Question 2. Equation is ax square plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Equation is in standard form. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 5. Then transpose constant on the right hand side. So x square plus 2x is equal to 5. Then find b upon 2 the whole square. Value of b is 2. So 2 upon 2 the whole square. 2 upon 2 is 1. So 1 square is equal to 1. Then add this value on the both sides of the equation. Okay. So after adding we will get x square plus 2x plus 1 square is equal to 5 plus 1 square. 1 square is 1, therefore I have written 5 plus 1. Okay. Then x square plus 2x plus 1 the whole square is the expansion of x plus 1 square. Okay. We got it from a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. You have to remember this identity. In this step, here प्लस साइन इज देयर, देयरफॉर वी हैव यूज a प्लस बी द होल स्क्वायर. अगर वहाँ पे माइनस साइन होता तो हम लोग a माइनस बी द होल स्क्वायर यूज करते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ कंसिडर स्टेप x प्लस 1 द होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 6. ओके. सो टेक स्क्वायर रूट. सो आफ्टर टेकिंग स्क्वायर रूट वी विल गेट x प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू प्लस और माइनस रूट 6. ओके. Then first take positive value, then take negative value. So x plus 1 is equal to root 6 or x plus 1 is equal to minus root 6. Then transpose 1 on the right hand side. So you will get x is equal to root 6 minus 1 or x is equal to minus root 6 minus 1. We cannot solve further because this is irrational number. So this is the final answer. So roots of the given quadratic equations are root 6 minus 1 and minus root 6 minus 1. Now we will see another method to find the value of b. Okay. Write the equation in this form. Okay. Then compare the equation with a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to 5. Okay. Sign after a square is positive, therefore we have used this identity. Then compare the values of a square and x square. Okay. So we'll get a is equal to x, then 2x is equal to 2ab. Okay. And b is unknown, we have to find it. Okay. So from 2ab is equal to 2x, we have to find b, so we'll transpose 2a. So b is equal to 2x upon 2a. Value of a is equal to x, so we'll substitute it. So 2x upon 2x is equal to 1. It means b is equal to 1 and b square is equal to 1 square, which is equal to 1. Okay. So we have used the same value earlier. Okay. Question 3. Equation is m square minus 5m is equal to minus 3. Okay. So in this case a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 3. अगर स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म कंसिडर करेंगे तो कांस्टेंट लेफ्ट साइड में रहेगा, देयरफॉर कांस्टेंट c is equal to 3. ओके. सो फाइंड b upon 2 the whole square. So b is minus 5, it means 5 upon 2 the whole square. So स्क्वायर आएगा 25 upon 4. नेगेटिव नंबर का स्क्वायर भी हमेशा पॉजिटिव होता है. देन ऐड 25 upon 4 on the both sides of the equation. Okay. So after adding we will get m square minus 5m plus 25 upon 4 is equal to minus 3 plus 25 upon 4. Okay. Now this is the expansion of m minus 5 upon 2 the whole square. Using identity a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. In this equation minus sign is there, therefore we have used a minus b the whole square. Okay. And on right hand side, denominator of minus 3 is 1, denominator 25 is 4. So denominators are different, so we have to take LCM. So LCM is 4. So 4 3s are 12, that is minus 12 plus 25 upon 4. Okay. So step is m minus 5 upon 2 the whole square is equal to minus 12 plus 25 upon 4. Okay. You have to write the identity. Then on right hand side minus 12 plus 25 is 13. So we'll get m minus 5 upon 2 the whole square is equal to 13 upon 4. Now we will take square root on the both sides. So after taking square root we will get m minus 5 upon 2 is equal to plus or minus root 13 upon 2. We will get two values, one is positive, one is negative. Now consider positive value as well as negative value. So m minus 5 upon 2. Now once consider positive value, then consider negative value. So m minus 5 upon 2 is equal to root 13 upon 2 or m minus 5 upon 2 is equal to minus root 13 upon 2. Okay. So m is equal to 5 plus root 13 upon 2 or m is equal to 5 minus root 13 upon 2. So this is final answer. So let's see another method to find the value of b. Write the equation in this form, m square minus 5m is equal to minus 3 and compare this equation with identity a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. and then compare the values. So a square is equal to m square, so we can write a is equal to m, and 2ab is equal to 5m. Okay, b is unknown. So from 2ab is equal to 5m, we can write b is equal to 5m upon 2a. Okay, and value of a is equal to m, so we can write b is equal to 5m upon 2m. mm will be cut and 5 upon 2 will remain. Okay, so this is the value for b. B is equal to 5 upon 2. We need to find b square, so b square is equal to 25 upon 4. Okay. Question 4. Quadratic equation is 9y square minus 12y plus 2 is equal to 0. Value of a is 9, b is minus 12 and c is 2. Now value of a is not 1, therefore we will divide the whole equation by 9. Okay, so 9y square upon 9 will get y square, minus 12y upon 9 and plus 2 upon 9 is equal to 0. Okay, then we will simplify this further. 3 is the common divisor, so we'll get y square minus 4 upon 3y plus 2 upon 9 is equal to 0. So we will consider this equation. Okay, so in this equation a is 1, b is minus 4 upon 3 and c is 2 upon 9. Find value of b upon 2 the whole square. B is 4 upon 3, so minus 4 upon 3 into 1 upon 2. ये जो 2 है ये डिनोमिनेटर का 2 है. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So we'll get minus 2 upon 3 the whole square. So it will come 4 upon 9. Okay. Then add 4 upon 9 to the both sides of the equation. Adding 4 upon 9 on the both sides. So after addition we'll get y square minus 4 upon 3y plus 4 upon 9 is equal to 2 upon 9 हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे ट्रांसपोज किया, सो माइनस 2 upon 9 एंड एट द सेम टाइम 4 upon 9 ऐड किया. ठीक है, सो दिस इज RHS. So the step is y square minus 4 upon 3y plus 4 upon 9 is equal to minus 2 upon 9 plus 4 upon 9. So y square minus 4 upon 3y plus 4 upon 9, this is expansion of y minus 2 upon 3 the whole square. 4 upon 9 का स्क्वायर रूट है 2 upon 3 एंड y का स्क्वायर रूट है y. So y minus 2 upon 3 the whole square. ये कहाँ से आया? फ्रॉम दिस आइडेंटिटी a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. यहाँ पे माइनस साइन है, देयरफॉर वी हैव यूज्ड माइनस आइडेंटिटी. ठीक है, एंड ऑन राइट हैंड साइड माइनस 2 upon 9 plus 4 upon 9, denominators are same, so take common denominator, so minus 2 plus 4 upon 9. Okay, so let's go ahead. So we'll get on left hand side y minus 2 upon 3 the whole square and on right hand side 2 upon 9. Okay, so taking square root, so y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to plus or minus root 2 upon 3. Then once take positive value and then take negative value. So y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to root 2 upon 3 or y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to minus root 2 upon 3. Now use transposition. So using transposition we'll get the values of y. So y is equal to 2 plus root 2 upon 3 or y is equal to 2 minus root 2 upon 3. These are irrational values, therefore this is the final answer. So roots of the given quadratic equations are 2 plus root 2 upon 3 and 2 minus root 2 upon 3. Now let's check the another method to find the value of b. Okay, so write the equation in this form: y square minus 4 upon 3y is equal to minus 2 upon 9, and compare this equation with the identity a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, then compare the values. So from a square is equal to y square we can get a is equal to y. Then we can compare 2ab is equal to 4 upon 3y. Okay, and b is unknown. Then from 2ab is equal to 4 upon 3y we can write b is equal to 4y upon 3 into 1 upon 2a. This 2a will transpose on the right hand side. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So we'll get 2y upon 3 into 1 upon y. Instead of a we can write y. From a is equal to y. Then y will be cut and we'll get 2 upon 3. So value of b is equal to 2 upon 3 and value of b square is equal to 4 upon 9. It is the same value which we added both sides in the earlier steps. Okay. Question 5. Equation is 2y square plus 9y plus 10 is equal to 0. Value of a is 2, b is 9 and c is 10. Since value of a is 2, we will divide the whole equation by 2. So after division we'll get 2y square upon 2. 2 will be cut, we'll get y square. Then 9y upon 2 will get 9 upon 2y and 10 upon 2 is equal to 0. 10 upon 2 will solve further, so we will get y square plus 9 upon 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. So in this case, a is 1, b is 9 upon 2 and c is 5. Okay, transpose 5 on the right hand side. Okay, so in the next equation we will get y square plus 9 upon 2y is equal to minus 5. Then find b upon 2 the whole square. b is 9 upon 2, so 9 upon 2 upon 2 the whole square. ये जो 2 है नीचे मल्टीप्लाई होगा डिनोमिनेटर में, सो 9 अपॉन 4 द होल स्क्वायर. 9 square is 81, 4 square is 16, therefore 81 upon 16. Add 81 upon 16 on the both sides of the equation. Okay, so after addition we will get y square plus 9 upon 2y plus 81 upon 16, and on RHS side minus 5 plus 81 upon 16. In RHS we have to take LCM because denominators are different. So on left hand side we can write y square plus 9 upon 2y. 81 upon 16 का square root है 9 upon 4, so 9 upon 4 the whole square. So again on left hand side y square plus 9 upon 2y plus 9 upon 4 the whole square, and on right hand side LCM is 16, so 16 5 is 80, so minus 80 plus 81 upon 16. Okay, so y square plus 9 upon 2y plus 9 upon 4 the whole square, it is expansion of y plus 9 upon 4 the whole square, y 9 upon 4 the whole square. Using a plus b the whole square, you have to write the identity over here, that is a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and on the right hand side minus 80 plus 81 is 1, so 1 upon 16. Okay, then next step is taking square root on the both side. So square root of y plus 9 upon 4 the whole square is y plus 9 upon 4, and square root of 1 upon 16 is plus or minus 1 upon 4. Then consider values, positive and negative values separately. So y plus 9 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 4, and y plus 9 upon 4 is equal to minus 1 upon 4. Then using transposition, y is equal to minus 9 plus 1 upon 4, or y is equal to minus 9 minus 1 upon 4. Minus 9 plus 1 is minus 8, and minus 9 minus 1 is minus 10. So we'll get y is equal to minus 8 upon 4, or y is equal to minus 10 upon 4. So minus 8 upon 4 is 2, so y is equal to minus 2, or minus 10 upon 4 can be divided by 2, so we'll get y is equal to minus 5 upon 2. So minus 2 and minus 5 upon 2, these are the roots of the given quadratic equation. So let's see the another method to find the value of b. Okay, write the equation in this form: y square plus 9 upon 2y is equal to minus 5. Please remember y square, x square, whatever be the variable, बट स्क्वायर टर्म का जो भी कोएफिशिएंट रहेगा इट मस्ट बी 1, उसके बाद ही आप भैया अप्लाई कर सकते हो. ठीक है, so the form is y square plus 9 upon 2y is equal to minus 5, and then compare this equation with the identity a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, and compare the values. So we'll get a square is equal to y square, it means a is equal to y, and 9 upon 2y is equal to 2ab. Okay, 9 upon 2y is equal to 2ab, and b is unknown. Okay, so from 2ab is equal to 9y upon 2, we can transpose 2a on the right hand side, so we'll get b is equal to 9y upon 2 into 1 upon 2a. Okay, so we'll put the values of a, that is a is equal to y, so we'll get 9y upon 2 into 1 upon 2y, so y will be cut, and 9 upon 2 into 2, that is 9 upon 4. So 9 upon 4 is the value of b, and b square is equal to 81 upon 16, that is square of 9 upon 4. Okay, so this is the same value we got earlier. Question number 6, equation is 5x square is equal to 4x plus 7. Then we will transpose 4x on the left side, so we'll get 5x square minus 4x is equal to 7. Then a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 4. 7 actually यहाँ पे आएगा standard equation, so value of constant is minus 7. Since value of a is 5, so we will divide the whole equation by 5. So 5x square upon 5 will get x square, 4x upon 5 will get minus 4 upon 5x, and 7 upon 5. Okay, so from this equation a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4 upon 5. Then find b upon 2 the whole square, so b is 4 upon 5, so 4 upon 5 upon 2 the whole square. Okay, then multiply 5 with the denominator 2, so 4 upon 5 into 2 the whole square, so 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4, so we'll get 2 upon 5 the whole square. So final answer is 4 upon 25. So b upon 2 the whole square is 4 upon 25. Add this value on the both sides of the equation. So we will get x square minus 4 upon 5x plus 4 upon 25, and on the right hand side we'll get 7 upon 5 plus 4 upon 25. So in LHS you can write x square minus 4 upon 5x plus 2 upon 5 the whole square. Okay, 2 upon 5 is the square root of 4 upon 25, so taking whole square. And on the right hand side, denominators are different, LCM is 25, so 7 5 the 35 plus 4, so 35 plus 4 upon 25. In the next step, on left hand side, x square minus 4 upon 5x plus 2 upon 5 square is the expansion of x minus 2 upon 5 the whole square. Okay, it is from the identity a minus b the whole square. Okay, and on the right hand side, 35 plus 4 is 39, so 39 upon 25. Then taking square root, so x minus 2 upon 5 is equal to plus or minus root 39 upon 5. So consider positive value ones and negative value ones. Okay, so x minus 2 upon 5 is equal to root 39 upon 5, or x minus 2 upon 5 is equal to minus root 39 upon 5. Then transpose 2 upon 5 on the right hand side, so we'll get x is equal to 2 plus root 39 upon 5, or x is equal to 2 minus root 39 upon 5. So these are the irrational numbers, therefore this is the final answer. So roots of the given quadratic equations are 2 plus root 39 upon 5 and 2 minus root 39 upon 5. So let's check the another method to find the value of b. Okay, write the equation in this form. X square minus 4x upon 5 is equal to 7 upon 5. Okay, make sure that coefficient of x square is 1. Then compare this equation with identity a square minus 2ab plus b square, and then compare the values. So from a square is equal to x square, we can write a is equal to x, and 2ab is equal to 4x upon 5. 2ab is equal to 4x upon 5. Okay, and b is unknown. Then from 2ab is equal to 4x upon 5, we can transpose 2a on the right hand side. So we'll get b is equal to 4x upon 5 into 1 upon 2a. Then put the value of a is equal to x. So we'll get 4x upon 5 into 1 upon 2x. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and xx will be cut. So we'll get 2 upon 5. So value of b is equal to 2 upon 5, and value of b square is equal to 4 upon 25. Okay, it is the same value which we have used in earlier steps. Okay, so this is end of the exercise. Thank you.